Good afternoon. I'm Sheriff Ito Narvesa from Elko County Sheriff's Office. On June 25th, 2025, one of my deputies responded to the area of Pickering that is located in South Fork in the county of Elko. Unfortunately, this call ended in an officer-involved shooting. This is a very stressful and difficult time for everyone involved. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the family that were affected by this event and to our deputies. Nevada State Police is conducting the investigation. The following video that you will be seeing will give you more details into this event.
I'm Joel Martin, Lieutenant with the Nevada State Police Investigation Division. On June 25th, 2025, the Elko County Sheriff's Office responded to domestic disturbance and their deputy was involved in an officer-involved shooting. According to their policy and procedure, they requested the Nevada State Police do an independent investigation into the situation. According to the Elko County policy, the deputy involved has been placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of this investigation. The following is preliminary information known at this time. On June 25th, 2025, at approximately 7:29 p.m., Elko County Emergency Dispatch received a call of a domestic disturbance from a residence on Pickering Avenue, Elko County, Nevada. The call was made by a known female victim within her residence. The suspect, now known as Robert Crooks, was also in the residence at the time of the emergency call. The victim reported that Mr. Crooks was shooting through her bedroom wall at her.
What is the emergency?
My husband just took his gun and he went in the living room and just shot through the wall into my bedroom.
Where's your husband at right now?
I think he's outside.
Okay, is anybody injured right now?
No, I'm not. There were shells, or the gun, there was something that came through the wall and I felt it, but it didn't hit me. It was like...
A deputy sheriff with the Elko County Sheriff's Office was dispatched and arrived at 7:37 p.m. The deputy issued commands through his public address system while standing at the passenger side of his vehicle outside of the residence and detached garage. These commands ordered Mr. Crooks to come out with his hands up. At 7:40 p.m., the deputy reported he had made contact with Mr. Crooks, but Mr. Crooks was not following any of his verbal commands. Moments later, the deputy fired multiple shots from the passenger side of his vehicle and reported Mr. Crooks came out of the garage with a gun.
Walk to the front of my truck with your hands up. Do it now.
Elko Medic 1 will be at it.
23 contact with one. Walk to the front of my truck. Do it now. Subject's not following commands. "23 shots fired. He came out with a gun."
Mr. Crooks was found to be in possession of an AR-15 style rifle. At 7:51 p.m., once additional law enforcement arrived on scene, they approached the suspect, Mr. Crooks, and attempted to render medical aid. A short time later, Mr. Crooks was pronounced deceased on scene. Through the investigation, it has been determined that multiple shots were fired within the residence prior to law enforcement arrival. This is consistent with the phone call and information reported on the 911 call. The decedent and suspect in this case is Robert Weasley Crooks. Mr. Crooks has an extensive criminal history, which includes assault with a deadly weapon, domestic battery, possession of a lethal weapon, and resisting a public officer. Had the suspect survived, he would have been charged with the following: attempted murder with a deadly weapon, domestic battery with use of a deadly weapon, assault with a deadly weapon on a peace officer, discharging a firearm into a structure, aiming a firearm at a human being, ownership, possession by a prohibited person. The facts known at this time indicate that the deputy responded to an armed individual in self-defense and in the interest of public safety. This investigation remains ongoing. The final report will be provided to the Elko County Sheriff's Office along with the Elko County District Attorney's Office.